Something happened and you're really upset.
Before you do something you may regret.
Like a meltdown or a foolish attack. Throw a tantrum.
Or throw a backpack.
Stop. Think. Act.
Show us being bored. Like this. Angry. Happier.
Your attention's here and there, scattered everywhere. Focus on the rhythm in and out as you breathe there and breathe. Everybody in with me. Breathe. It works, trust me. Breathe. A big breath in.
I had a dream the other night about a kid picking on me. There's a kid at school who's been mean to me.
No, that's not okay. It's never okay to hurt anybody like that. Empathy is when you think about other people's emotions. Hey, remember that time we were on the picnic? I was there, Allie and you, and we were talking about empathy.
This is what we should not eat peanut butter and jelly sandwich.
If I eat peanut butter or any other nut, I get sick.
I say hellos, hello. Jokes to you I tell. I see you. If I change your mood, my cheerfulness supplied. Change your attitude, guess what? I feel good inside. And if I make you smile this way, it comes back to me after a while.
Huey, I challenge you and every student watching right now to say hello to a new student every day at your school. Stop it to open the door.
Respect.
Pick up your masks on the floor.
Respect.
When you always say thank you, please.